Upgrade your GM vehicle's fuel injection system with the GM Genuine Parts Fuel Injection Throttle Body Assembly. Designed, engineered, and rigorously tested to meet General Motors' exacting standards, this genuine replacement part ensures the same quality, durability, and reliability that came with your vehicle from the factory. GM Genuine parts are the true OEM parts installed during production or validated by General Motors, giving you the confidence that you're using the best components for your car. This throttle body assembly is precision manufactured to fit and function just like the original part. It is the ideal replacement for your GM vehicle, offering a perfect fit without the hassle. Unlike cheaper alternatives, this part ensures seamless installation with no need for further calibration. Once installed, the engine will start and run as smoothly as it did when your vehicle was first built. The difference is clear. Paying a little more for an original part saves time and avoids the complications that come with using aftermarket options. With GM Genuine parts, you're investing in long-lasting performance and reliability. Whether you're replacing a faulty throttle body or upgrading your vehicle's engine system, this assembly guarantees optimal functionality for your vehicle's fuel injection system. Don't settle for less. Ensure your GM vehicle operates at its best with this GM Genuine Parts Fuel Injection Throttle Body Assembly. Click the link in the description to purchase it today and experience the quality and peace of mind that only genuine GM parts can provide.